Okay, hi Lynn. I'm back. Okay, because that's what happened to my Zoom. It will off every 30 minutes and then it will just come back. Okay? All right, Lynn, look at here. Lynn, how many people live in Sam's house? How many are they in the house?
It's 10 people.
Very good. Yeah, that's correct. They are 10 people in the house. Now here, Lynn, from the given paragraph, the one that you read a while ago, how many pets do his grandparents have? How many pets? Animals that they have?
It's 4 pets.
How many?
4.
4. What are the pets? What are these pets?
Donkey.
Donkey. What else?
Dog.
Dog. What else?
Cat.
Cat and
Fish.
very good. Lynn, how many fish do they have? How many fish?
There are 3 fish.
Very good. There are 3 fish. How many cats?
It's 1 cat.
Very good. What is the name of their donkey? What's the name of donkey?
His name's Emmanuel.
Very good. And how about what's the name of the cat? Cat's name is
His name's Lucky.
Lucy. And what's the name of their pet dog?
Dog name is Chocolate.
Very good. Great work, Lynn. Very good. You understand. Okay. Now look at this one, Lynn. What animals can you see? Look at Grandpa, number 1. Grandpa will say, this is our, what animal is number 1?
Cat.
Cat. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is our cat, correct. Number 2, what will Grandma say? These are
These are our fish.
fish. How many fish do they have?
It's 3 fish.
There are, again?
There are 3 fish.
Okay, good. Now here, look at Sam. Sam will say, this is?
This is my donkey.
Correct. And number 4, what's this?
This is my favorite.
What
Duck.
animal? Very good. Good job. Perfect. Great work. Yes. You say, Grandpa will say, this is our cat. These are our 3 fish. This is my donkey. And this is my favorite dog. Great work. Very good, Millie. Great job. Very good. Okay, Lynn. I have here this one. Okay. Lynn, could you please read? Can you read? Go. In reading, go. In reading and writing part 1, the pictures.
Pictures. Which
With
shall or
1
one or more of it named if
item.
this item and in the gift name section the named item will be singular or plural.
Plural.
plural. See, rice, egg, from, and for example here.
Okay, look at here, Lynn. You're going to be shown picture and you will tell what is there. Okay, example. There is a picture of a fish. What sentence is correct? This is a fish or this is a foot? The answer is, this is a fish. That's example. Oh, you finished answering this. What is number 1 again? This is, go.
This is our catch.
Our cat, correct. Number 2. These
These are our 3 fish.
Okay, 3 fish or fish. Number 3, correct.
This is my donkey.
Correct. 4.
This is my favorite dog.
Okay, very good, Lynn. You're so good. Okay, you're so good. Now, Lynn, I have here a picture. Okay, Lynn, think about your house. Okay, Lynn, this question is about your family. Okay, it's your family. Now, Lynn, do you know, is your street long or short street? Your street going to the house. What's your street, Lynn? My street is?
My street is short.
Long or short. Okay. Lynn, where do you live, Lynn? In the house or in a flat?
In a house.
I live. Go.
I live in my house.
Okay. Lynn, how many people live in your house? How many are you in the house? We are? Lynn, mom, dad. Do you have sister or brother?
No.
No. Okay, how many are you? We are? Are you only 3 in the house? 4 in the house?
3.
3. Okay. Who's in the house? Lynn,
Mom.
mom, and
Dad.
dad. Okay, so Lynn got only 3 people in the house. Correct. Now, Lynn, do your grandfather and grandmother live in your house? Are they living in the house or no?
No.
No. Okay. Lynn, have you got a lot of cousins? You have many cousins?
Many cousins.
Yeah. You say, yes, I have many cousins. Again. Yes, I
Yes,
have.
I have many cousins.
Okay. Lynn, has your family got a pet? Do you have a pet in the house?
No.
No. Okay. No, we haven't. Now, Lynn, I have this one. Do you know how to draw? Huh? Can you draw?
No.
I know. Okay, now here. This is me. Lynn, I want you to draw circles around words about your family and home and write names. Okay. Lynn, do you know how to write words like this? Like this? Look at teacher. Lynn, do you know how to do like that? You know how to answer or no? Can you write?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Lynn, please write the answer. Okay, here. This is me. My name's Lynn. Can you write, Lynn?
Mm,
Can you write?
yes.
Okay, please write, Lynn. Hi, very good. My name's Lynn. Look at here. I live in what kind of house do you have, Lynn? Big or small? In circle, which one? Big house or small?
Uh,
Oh, only one, only one. Okay, can you erase? Okay, big or small?
I live in a small house.
Okay, in circle, small. Put circle in the small. Okay, and put, uy, you write again your answer, Lynn. You put circle like this, teacher. Wait, like this. Oh, okay. Small house. Okay. Okay, Lynn, please write.
Yes.
Here, look at Lynn, not I. Who lives next to you? You say, my grandparents live in the house next to us. You say, my grandparents.
My parents.
Yeah, grandparents. Okay, this one, Lynn. We love.
Mm,
What do you love?
Ladders.
Okay. We love gardens. And we've got.
Most we have was lot of animal.
We haven't got an animal. Okay, very good, Lynn. Look at Lynn. Please read again. This is me. Again.
Mm, is
Go.
me.
My name's
My name's Eileen. I live in a small house with my parents.
My
And
grandparents
my
same
grandparents
live.
live in the house next to us. We love radars, but we have
Event.
lost animals.
All right. Very good, Lynn. Wow, Lynn. Lynn, this is our first day, and I can say you are very good in reading and understanding. Okay? Your comprehension is good. Okay? Now, Lynn, is my
Okay.
talking, do I say fast? Do I talk fast? Teachers speak fast or it's okay? It's okay? I say the word.
Okay.
You understand, teacher, when I teach you? You understand me? Huh? Okay. Lynn, listen. You're very good in reading. You're very good in comprehending the words. You're so good because you understand fast. Okay? Great work for today, Lynn. I had a great time talking to you. You listened well. That's good. Very good because you're behaved. You know, behave. You are a good student because you're so behaved. You answer
This
the
my
question.
teacher.
Yeah. You answer what teacher says. Okay. You did greatly because you were able to answer all the activities correctly. Okay? All right? Okay. So teacher will send the video of this class, the one we had today, okay, later because after you, I still have another class. After my class, I'll make the video, send it to your GC, send it to your mom, and I will also give homework. Are you okay with homework? Okay?
Yes.
I'll give you homework and we will work more on talking. Okay? You will speak. Okay. So, Lynn, thank you so much for today. I had a great time talking to you. Okay? You're such a good student. Okay. That's all for today, Lynn. Goodbye for now, Lynn. See you next
This my
time.
teacher.
Bye. Yeah, good night.